say you're from the VI, boy, which part? Only place in the world me no get lost. Not take light to no slick talk. Light flash not only when it gets dark. Cardo sponsor me wristwatch. Hop on a weed in a ziplock.
What's up, y'all? If it ain't video after video after video with another one, we back at it like a crack at it. Automatic. Oh damn. Anyways, there's a few tunnels on the way home. I got 11 miles to drive home, so I just wanted to jump on the camera and let y'all hear some.
On I-376 west and half a mile.
Let y'all
You're still
hear
on the fastest route.
some of the tunnel blasts. Also, my tires are showing wires right now, strings and wires. So when I did a burnout earlier, it was just shooting sparks. Somebody was like, "Oh, your car's shooting sparks." I was like, "Oh my gosh, I broke my diff. There's something back there clicking and clacking." Man, I came out and checked, bro. It was a it's just showing wires, so that ain't no big deal. But we about to get into the tunnel. We about to go into the tunnel. I got the GoPro on Bree's car, zoomed in, shooting my car. So let's go ahead and do that. Please like, subscribe, do what y'all want to do, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I love y'all. Peace. Damn, this shit was shaky the whole time. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. Hey, I'm in a tunnel with Bree, and she's like, Josh, I don't know why you're doing all those burnouts. Your tires are shooting flames. Hopefully I zoom in, or I can zoom in, man, and see what's going on. But that's crazy. If my tires are really that bad, that is really, really not good. Plus the camber on my car is like to shit. So I'm gonna call around and see if I can find the cheapest spot. And where can I find the cheapest spot for them to fix my, I need to put on my new tires, and I need to get the camber fixed. I need to realign my car. I need to get it balanced, all that good stuff. I can feel it in the ride. I can feel it on how the car is moving, and I don't like it, man. So I need to put some work in on my baby. It's been, don't want to abuse her, you know what I'm saying? She took care of me. I should take care of her. So that's what I need to do. That's what I'm gonna do, and that's that.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get the